Welcome back in math class, 5th standard children. I hope all of you have finished the sums explained in the last class and activity also you have finished because no one asked anything. I hope all of you have finished the activity and sums. Now we are going to start question number 14. First sum of 14 problem sum. Bhavesh covers the distance of one integer. Just wait. Yes. Bhavesh covers the distance of one integer 1 by 4 kilometer by bus and 3 by 4 by walking to reach the school from his home. What distance in total does he cover to come to school and to go back home from school? That means this complete and this one by bus, and when he is coming back, that both the distances we have to add, and then while coming and while going both. So after adding you have to double that distance, so that will be the total distance covered by Bhavesh. So question number 14 I am going to start here. So what we distance covered by Bhavesh? Distance covered by Bhavesh. Okay, this is distance covered by Bhavesh. First by bus, that was covers the distance, this one by bus and by walking. Okay, first by bus, what it was? One integer 1 by 4, that will be 4 ones are 4 and 1, 5 by 4 kilometers. And then distance covered by Bhavesh by walking, by walking, that will be 3 by 4 kilometer, 3 by 4 kilometer. So total distance, that will be 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. What it will be? 5 plus 3. That will be 8 plus 8 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 and 2. That will be 2 kilometer one side. But distance covered to go to school and come back to home. Total distance while going to school and coming back to home. That means double. 2 into 2. What will be? 4 kilometer. This is the total distance. Now question number 2. Praveen bought one pencil and one eraser of rupees 750. Okay, he gave 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. कितने रुपीस दिए? 10 rupees. और उसका सामान आया 750. Then shopkeeper gave back coins of 50 paisa. Okay, how many coins did he get? How much rupees will he get back? Okay, first we will find that one. So sum number 2. What was that? First, Praveen gave to shopkeeper. Praveen gave how much rupees? Rupees 10. And 00 paisa. Okay, cost of pen. And pencil. What it will be? Rupees 750. Then what will be the balance left? That will be 250 rupees. So 250 rupees, that means how many paisa? 250 paisa. Okay, rupees 250 is equal to 250 paise. Okay, and that means 2 into 100 plus 50, that will be 250 paisa. But the coins he got back of 50 paisa coins. So number of coins he will get back 250 divided by 50. How many coins? 5 5s are 25. So 5 coins he will get back of 2 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, so answer will be 5 coins. Now question number 4. Question number 3 you will do in activity on the basis of your knowledge. Okay, so now question number 4. A baker put a cake to bake at 2:20 in the noon. The cake will be ready after 1.5 hours. At what time the cake should be taken out from baking? Okay, so we are going to start this question here. Question number 4. Baker puts a cake. Baker puts a cake for baking at what time? 2 hours 30 minutes. Now, how much time this will take? 1 hour and 1/4 hour. That means how many minutes you have to find out here. Time taken to bake. That will be, here I am writing 1 integer 1/4 hour. Okay, so 1 hour, and what will be 1/4 hour? I am showing here how to convert 1/4. In 1 hour, how many minutes? 60. So 60, that means how many minutes? 15 hour. 1/4 of 1 hour is 15 minutes. So 1 hour and 15 minutes, or you may write like that. Okay, so cake will be cooked in how much time? Time cake will be cooked, sorry. Cake will be cooked or baked. That will be 45 and 3 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, same way you can write 3 hours 45 minutes or 3/4, 3 integer 3/4 also. Okay, now next question. Question number 5th. Kamlesh bought a juice bottle of 5 liter. He drank 2 integer 1/4 liter of juice in one day. How much juice is left in the bottle? Same way children, left means you have to subtract. You have to subtract. So how we will do this one? Sum number 5. Juice in the bottle. How much juice in the bottle? 5 liters. 5.000. That means milliliters. I will tell you why I am writing like that, because in the Kamlesh drank how much? Kamlesh how much liter? We have to find out. 2 in integer 1 by 4 liter. 2 integer 2 liter completely and 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means, children, 1 by 4 in 1 liter, how many milliliter? 1000. So you will 1/4 of 1000. Okay, कितना आएगा? 250 divide करके. So here 250 milliliter. By in 1 liter 1000 milliliters are there. Okay, so how much is left after drinking? How much is left after drinking? You will write here. For left you will subtract 0, 5, and then what will be left? 7, then 2. I hope you understood, children. So how much is left? 5 liter juice was there and 2 liter 250 milliliter, that juice was taken by, who was that? Kamlesh. Then how much juice was left? That was. Now children, my question is, how you will get an idea? 750 milliliter is what part of liter? 750 milliliter is how much part of liter? Same way you can find out. Okay, 750, that means 3/4. How you will get 3/4? If 3/4 of 1000, okay, that will be 25, and this 0, so that will be 750. So that will be, okay, that is 3/4. 2 liter, 2 integer 3/4 liter, or you can write 2 liter 750 milliliter. Both are correct. Okay, as I taught you this one, 3 hours 45 minutes. Same way you can write here, what is that? 3 integer 3 by 4th hour also. Both are correct. I hope you understood. Now the last. This one, Jasmine passed 1/6 part of the day in playing piano. How many hours did she play piano? In one day, how many hours? 24 hours. And 1/6 part of the day, Jasmine played 1/6 of 24 hours. That means one day. So how many hours? 4. Answer will be 4 hours. I hope you understood. So this chapter is over. MCQ, this question number 15. Okay, this is the last. Choose a correct. On the basis of previous knowledge, you can do 15th MCQ. If any doubt comes, you can write in your comment box, children. And this three, okay, in activity you have to do by using your knowledge on the basis of this chapter. I hope you understood, all of you. So we will start next chapter. If any doubt will be there, then you may write.